Hello and welcome to this interesting JAMB question number 13. This question is on logarithm. The question says that evaluate log₃ in base 2 minus log₁/9 in base 3. If you look at the question, you find out that log₃ in base 2 and log₁/9 in base 3, they do not have the same base. So we will solve them individually instead of solving them together. Had they been they have the same base, we could have solved them at the same time by saying 8 divided by 1/9, which is the law guiding logarithm. But here we solve them individually. So the first one, log₃ in base 2, is equal to unknown because we don't know what it is equal to. So remember that when you have a log₃ and its base equal to, so the base will be equal to, the base will be raised to the power of the unknown, which we say here is x. So it will be equal to 8, right? 2 raised to the power of the unknown equal to the 8. 2 raised to the power of the unknown equal to 8. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 8. That is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So that means 3 times 3, 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us 8, right? That simply means that log₃ base 2 is equal to what? Is equal to 3. Simple. So that is that for the first one. Log₃ base 2 is equal to 3. So we solve the second one, which is log₁/9 to base 3. Log₁/9 to base 3. Remember, it's equal to an unknown. So we say 3 raised to the power of the unknown, which we say is x, right? Is equal to 1/9, right? Remember the unknown there. So 3 raised to the power of the unknown is equal to 1/9. Remember. All right. 1/9 is the same thing as the reciprocal of 9. That is 9 raised to the power of -1. So we write it 3x is equal to 9 raised to the power of -1 because 1/9 is still the same thing as the reciprocal of 9, which you know that reciprocal of 9 is 9 raised to the power of 1. All right. Now, how many times will you multiply 3 so that you will get 9? It is 2 times, right? That is 3 times 3 will give us 9, right? 3 times 3 equals to 9. That's correct. So that means 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 9. But remember, this is 9 raised to the power of 1, right? And what we are looking for is -1, not just raised to the power of 1. So if we include minus to the left-hand side, we also include minus to the right-hand side, meaning that whatever I do to the left-hand side, I also do to the right-hand side. So you can also write this 9 raised to the power of -1 as 1/9. So this means that 3 raised to the power of -2 is equal to 1/9, right? Therefore, you say log₁/9 to the base of 3 is equal to what? It's equal to -2. As simple as that. So we have gotten the value of log₃ to base 2 and log₁/9 to base 3, right? We have gotten the answer. So instead of imputing log₃ in base 2, what will I put? I'll put 3. Instead of putting log₁/9 to base 3, I'll put -2. So it will be 3 minus, open bracket, -2, right? Open bracket, -2. That is it. So this is equal to, you bring down these 3, then you say minus times minus is plus, then you put down 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. That is the answer. So simply means that log₃ in base 2 minus log₁/9 in base 3 is equal to 5. It's as simple as that. It's not hard. So follow for more of this kind of content.
Now, I believe you enjoy this class. If you enjoy this class, please make sure you like this video, share with those that will need this kind of video. Thank you very much.